These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, November 20th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Google has launched Nano Pro, a significant upgrade to its image generation model built on Gemini 3. Key features include enhanced editing, 4K resolution, better text accuracy, web search integration for image generation, and granular control over elements like lighting. While slower and more expensive than its predecessor, Nano Pro is being integrated across Google's AI products and is accessible via the Gemini API. Windows on ARM has significantly improved its game readiness a year after launch. Major advancements include Qualcomm's Snapdragon control panel for game optimization and driver updates, Microsoft's Prism emulator now supporting x86 AVX instructions, and an updated Xbox app for downloading ARM64 games from PC Game Pass. Qualcomm's work with anti-cheat providers now allows games like Fortnite to run with kernel-level support, indicating a serious effort to make multiplayer gaming viable on Snapdragon X Elite, though further development is still needed. OpenAI has launched GPT-5.1 Codex Max, an enhanced self-sufficient coding model surpassing its predecessor GPT-5.1 Codex in speed, capability, and efficiency as announced on X. Optimized for coding and featuring compaction abilities for long tasks, it is a strong competitor to Claude Code. Significantly, it is the first Codex model trained for Windows, demonstrating better performance with PowerShell and on the SWE Bench verified benchmark. It's immediately accessible via the Codex CLI, ID extension, cloud, and code review platforms. The U.S. president is reportedly considering an executive order possibly as early as Friday to centralize federal AI regulation. This includes establishing an AI litigation task force under the Attorney General with exclusive powers to challenge state AI laws. A draft obtained by The Verge shows that this task force could sue states specifically, citing recent California and Colorado laws on AI safety, catastrophic risk, and algorithmic discrimination that impede the AI industry's growth. The task force will also periodically work with the Whitehouse special advisors like David Sachs, the special advisor for AI and crypto. Uber Eats is partnering with Starship Technologies to introduce autonomous food delivery using Starship Sidewalk robots in the UK, starting in Leeds and Sheffield in December. Collaboration will expand to other European markets in 2026 and the US in 2027. This move adds to Uber's existing autonomous delivery partnerships with companies like Service Robotics and Avride. Starship, which has a fleet of nearly 3,000 robotics globally, promises deliveries in under 30 minutes for distances up to 2 miles. Spotify has acquired Who Sampled and plans to integrate its technology into a new interactive feature called Song DNA. Song DNA will display the samples, collaborators, and crossovers associated with a track directly in the Now Playing view for Spotify Premium users. The deal includes Who Sampled's team and its large music database, but the standalone Who Sampled platform will continue operating with improvements. Spotify is also developing About the Song, a feature to provide details about a song's inspiration and creation process. Google is enhancing Gemini to detect AI-generated images with a new Is This AI-Generated feature, utilizing its Synth ID watermarking and planning to incorporate the industry standard C2PA content credentials for broader detection, including AI models like Sora. Google's new Nano Pro model will embed C2PA metadata. Future plans include verification for video and audio, integration into search, and dependence on social media platforms adoption for automated flagging. Verizon is implementing a major cost-cutting and restructuring plan, which includes laying off over 13,000 employees, that's 13% of its workforce, and franchising 179 retail stores. CEO Dan Schulman states the goal is to create a leaner, more customer-focused operation amid increased competition and customer loss. The company is committing $20 million to help affected workers with reskilling and career transition as it adapts to the AI era. Waymo is expanding its robotaxi service to Minneapolis, New Orleans, and Tampa, adding to the existing markets like Los Angeles, San Francisco, Phoenix, Austin, and Atlanta. Future 2026 expansion includes Dallas, Denver, Seattle, London, and Tokyo. This growth will test the technology in new environments like Minneapolis' snow and New Orleans' crowded streets. Partnerships with Uber, Move, and Avis Budget Group support fleet operations, maintaining Waymo's lead over competitors like Zoox and Tesla. And finally, T-Mobile is adding a $3 monthly fee for the previously free Apple TV On Us add-on, a perk for Plus level postpaid plans since 2021. The charge will begin January 1st, 2026, confirmed by customer text and add-on pages. Also, T-Mobile customers billing a standard Apple TV subscription will see their price rise from $9.99 to $12.99 per month, matching Apple's current rate. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.